Secure your iPhone by changing these settings right now.
Tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, scroll down, and from here you want to tap on Safety Check and scroll down right here, Manage Sharing and Access. This is where you can customize which people and apps can access your information and review your account security. Tap here. It'll require Face ID or password.
Hey, if you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button.
And from here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to review these three things: review people, apps, account security, and I recommend you have stolen device protection turned on like I do here. Tap continue. And from here, tap continue again. Step one is complete. If I go back, you can check for people and information that you're sharing. And obviously I'm sharing none of those. So tap continue and continue again. This will allow you to select the apps you no longer want accessing your information, and you can go through these apps here and also tap on the information, go back and forth through those. For now, I'm going to just skip this, but you're going to want to complete it. And next, I'm going to continue here, and this is where you can add your emergency contacts. And these people are notified if you use emergency SOS, or in a severe car crash or take a hard fall. Add those here and then tap on continue.
Check out this video for over 227 iPhone tips and tricks.
And right here, the last step, iPhone can be accessed by these devices. Make sure this is your device down here. Tap skip here as well. And from here, I can remove the devices I no longer want attached to this account or skip it. You can update your password. I'm going to do that later in settings. Update device passcode if you want to do that. I'm going to tap update later in settings. And now your safety check is complete, and just tap done.
Here's a playlist that I think will help you out, and of course the subscribe button.